Hello everyone. Today we will make homemade chicken nuggets, a yummy snack for toddlers and older kids, which are healthy as well as quite easy to make. These freeze very well, so you can make a big batch and then take out just the right quantity whenever your kids ask for it. So, for making chicken nuggets, we will need chicken mince. You can also use chicken breast, but mince makes it easier to make it. So here we have a couple of cups of chicken mince. I have salt here to taste. We have pepper, and these are mixed herbs. It has garlic powder, onion powder, oregano. You can basically add whatever flavorings you and your child likes. You can also add green chilies or red chili powder, anything at all. So let's add the salt. Now the pepper and the herbs. And we will mix these well so that the seasonings get incorporated into the mince. You can also add a little bit of beaten egg if you feel there is a requirement. Otherwise, you can just leave it. Now we will make breadcrumbs. I always prefer to make fresh breadcrumbs. You can use your regular bread which you have, preferably a couple of days old. So just put it in your blender and then blend it. And here we have our fresh breadcrumbs. No need to use packet ones. Here I have beaten one egg. Beat it well. And now we are ready to make the nuggets. So here I will grease my hands with a little oil. Just take a little oil in your hands and then grease. This will help us to make the little patties or the nuggets that we want to make. Now it is up to you whatever size you want. I'm taking a small sized patty and I'm flattening it. You can also use it to make small pops which will be smaller and round. Now let's dip it in the egg and then we will coat the nuggets with the breadcrumbs. Coat it well so that it is covered nicely on all sides. You can also double coat it. That is, once you've done it, again put it in egg and uh, uh, crumb coat. But I'm doing it only once now. So put it aside. And then similarly, you have to make all the nuggets that you want to make. And once we have, you can also make small pops as I said. Now here we have our nuggets ready. Some of them are flattened, a bit like cutlets. They're small, and some are round, which are the pops. So now once you have made this, it is very important to keep them in the fridge for some time. Ideal duration would be at least 1 hour. So once you have put it in the fridge or freezer rather for 1 hour, then they will be ready to fry. So now we have taken it out of the fridge. I did not have 1 hour. I put it in just for about half an hour. But when you are making at home, make sure that you have put it for at least 1 hour. So these have slightly frozen. At this point, you can also put them in Ziploc bags and freeze them for later use. You either Ziploc bags or Tupperware containers, anything at all. And then just use them like you would use any other frozen nuggets that you get from the market. So here we have, I'm going to shallow fry them. If you want, you can deep fry as well. So here I'm putting them in medium hot oil. We do not want very hot oil because we want the chicken to cook through all the sides. and this will easily take 3 to 4 minutes to cook on all sides. Turn them and ensure that you cook the nuggets till they are golden brown. So here my nuggets are cooked now. So I will take them out on a paper towel to drain, and then you can serve it with whatever accompaniment you want.